with gold hardware featuring the signature Chanel icon gold bar at the top. It has two handles, one of which is both extendable and removable. We'll put the dimensions of this bag in the description below. Inside, there are three main sections with two small interior pockets on one side and a small zipper pocket at the rear. Now it's time to see what fits inside this bag. First, we have a Valentino rock stud purse, a Louis Vuitton 6-key holder, a Canon G7X camera, a Samsung phone that's the same size as the new iPhone X, a large slim power bank charger, hand lotion, tissues, Chanel mirror, powder compact and lipstick, and the Chanel bags feature a space usually for a lipstick, and sunglasses in a soft pouch. Turn lock closes with no problems, and that's it.